everyone, and welcome back to the Christmas cleaning edition. So today we're going to be focusing on decluttering specific areas around the house, as the Christmas gifts season is also going to be here, so we might as well make some space in specific areas around the home. So join me today if you are looking for some cleaning motivation, some decluttering motivation, just in time for the Christmas day. So I prefer to make a list of all the things that I need to do week by week. So this is week 1, where we're decorating, cleaning and organizing, and then week 2 is specifically just for organizing, so in the kitchen and other areas. So today we're going to be decluttering some books, because I know a few people are probably going to gift us some books, especially for my son. So if you have children, it's probably a best time to probably declutter some of the books that they don't actually read, or the ones that are now old and ripped up. So just organizing and putting things away. So I like to take everything out. This just allows me to also ask the kids, if you've got kids, ask them, are you still reading this? Do you like this book? If they don't, it's time to give it away. And then just basically clean the shelves where the books are. So this also allows you to not do everything on your own. It allows the children to be involved, and then they can pick what it is that they want and what they don't want. But I guess you have the final say, depending on how bad the books are. And just opening some of them, you'll find that they're like school books, homework books and stuff. So you probably will have to declutter those and see if they're still worth keeping and what's not worth keeping. The tasks that are in today's video, I did them in 2 separate days. So this does not necessarily mean you have to do everything in one day. So depending on how much energy you've got. If you've got more energy, you can, do more. But maybe just do one task a day if you can, if you've got time, or you want to do it on a weekend. But don't be afraid to ask for help so that you don't feel overwhelmed. So that's the bookshelf done, and everything is organized, everything has been taken out. Now we're going to focus on some clothes. So some people do gift clothes during Christmas. I like to make sure that I've got enough space. I take out the things that I know I'm never going to wear again, and keep the things that I'm going to wear depending what season. You can do seasonal clothes decluttering, but today we're just going to make sure that I've got enough space. But one person that I know who's got so many clothes that need to put away is my son. So I'm just basically going to focus on decluttering his clothes. literally taking out every single part of clothes in the drawers and focusing on keeping the seasonal stuff that he's definitely going to be wearing this year, and everything else that's out of season or too small now, I'm going to put it out and put it into a pile, then separate them if I can into seasonal parts, but I'm actually trying to put them into a big bag and I'm going to store them. So that's what I'm currently trying to do. And once everything is out of the drawers, I'm just going to hoover inside the drawers to get rid of any dust or any buildup or whatever is inside there. And then I'm probably going to just give that a spray of disinfectant inside there. So all of the clothes that I'm taking out, I'm putting them inside this vacuum. Oh, it's not a vacuum bag. It's a bag that you put all your clothes in and then you just suck out all the air with a vacuum cleaner. So it's a storage bag. I like this method and it can take up a lot of clothes. So all the clothes that my son has had, I'm literally putting them inside there because he's not wearing them anymore, so we can keep them somewhere safe. And I know he will probably receive some clothes as well from family for Christmas, so it's best to just get rid of things that are not in use and just make space for whatever it is that you're going to receive, and then from then on you can decide whether you want to keep certain things or not. But I love these storage bags. They're so useful. They can take up so many clothes. So this is what I'm going to do right now. So if you're enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more Christmas related cleaning and organizing content. So I'm now just gonna put things away, the things that we're definitely going to be using. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this content. This is the Christmas cleaning edition, so each week I will be sharing with you guys to do whilst leading up to Christmas Day. So look forward to more cleaning videos, organizing videos, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, you have a lovely day. Bye.